Start your day with this and watch all that belly fat melt, shrink, and flushed out. This is so fat burning, so cleansing, will leave your tummy so clean and healthy, plus leave in a lot of nutrients into your system. So the first thing you want to do is get an orange. We are using everything with the fiber. Oranges help to soften your stool, provoke you to easily poo bad stuffs in your system, waste build up like undigested food that makes your belly so big. It helps you easily visit your restroom to poo everything out. That way your tummy goes down, plus this boosts metabolism as well, and you burn fat so fast. So once you get your orange, make sure you remove all those white parts, and just slice everything with the fiber, everything like you see me doing. This is so good at boosting metabolism and cleansing your tummy real good, plus loaded with a lot of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, a lot of them to nourish your system with nutrients. The second thing, we want to achieve a cleansing tea out of our green tea to add in here. Green tea is very detoxifying, very cleansing. You want to tackle that fat in the tummy by detoxing everything, flushing everything all out. So this is my tea. You can use black tea if you don't have green tea, that is fine, but I always go for green tea. So this is it. Just put it in the cup and kind of add in half a cup of water, just to get your tea infused and become very detoxifying. So this is how you get it, by putting in hot water to kind of infuse. As few minutes go by, it will change and look kind of dark greenish. As you can see, it is already changing. So you just want to set that aside while it infuses in there, and you add in a thumb size of ginger. You get a thumb size of ginger, wash and kind of like clean so well, because you don't want to use the back of the ginger. I want everything all nice and clean. So you slice up into some good little sizes, and ginger is very good at burning fat, most especially anti-inflammatory properties to help flush out gases in your system, help you with bloating, constipation, relieve your system of gases, making your belly always bloated and big, and have your belly all down. So you want to chop up, and voila, this is it, set aside. Next very important ingredient will be apple. Apple contains pectin, which helps to cleanse, detoxify the system, detox the liver, your organs, most especially your liver, so it can function properly, to flush out toxins, waste, bad fats, and nourish your system with nutrients. Like, apples are very healthy, and our doctors testify that. So this is one little apple I'm adding in here. You want to wash thoroughly, make sure it is all nice and clean, and slice up into some good little sizes. Apples are highly rich in vitamins and minerals as well. A little bit of so many vitamins and minerals you need for the proper functioning of your system. Very healthy to start your day with, for utmost health as well. So this is the apple. You set that aside, and I'll be adding this lemon. Lemons are very good because the acids in lemon, the good acids help to flush bad acids in your system, sodium, gases, boost your metabolism to burn fat so fast and have your tummy all down. Sometimes you have that airy, bloated big belly because there are a lot of gases, sodium, waste build up, and lemons combined with these other ingredients will leave your tummy all nice and clean. Very perfect to start your day with. This recipe I'll be sharing with you, I start my day and it is so amazing. So slice up into some good little sizes and you're good. So this is it. And don't make sure you take out the seeds. You don't want to eat the seeds, and voila, this is it. Now the next thing you want to check on is the tea you were trying to infuse. So you see the color has changed. It is now dark greenish. This is when you know the benefits has really been infused in there, and it is your detox tea. Now you want to put your apple in your blender, and I always add half a teaspoon of cinnamon in here, just to make it so cleansing, detoxifying, and really more like will flush you out real good, because cinnamon is very cleansing. So you want to put all your ingredients in there, everything in there, and Yeah, so that is the orange. Put everything and make sure this your tea cools down. The tea you were infusing, make sure it cools down before you add it in there. So you allow it for some time to cool down, and it should be the last thing you're adding in there, not hot. Don't add it hot. So this is it. You want to blend to get a very smooth consistency out of this, like a smooth smoothie. A smooth smoothie like out of this, and voila, serve it in your cup. And 1 cup for breakfast, like one early cup, morning cup, and watch that belly fat flushed out, shrink, melt away, and you have your tummy all down. So this is it. I have some pictures of me at the end. So this is what you want to do. Make sure you're drinking one early morning. Try for at least a week, and you come back and tell me that this is really very effective, because if you start your day with this, it helps you burn everything and plus the fat. So this is my before picture. This is how my tummy used to be, so chunky, like so big. In case you're new here, this is how Riza was, so chunky, big. This is me now. This is when I was pregnant, and you see how I quickly lost my pregnancy weight. I shared a video how I lost my pregnancy weight as well. This is my tummy. I flaunt out. My tummy is all down. For those asking my pictures, you can follow me on Instagram for more updates. I have all pictures I share on Instagram all the time. Like, this recipe is so powerful. You want to try and come back and tell me for at least a week. Make sure you're eating healthy, portion control. Don't eat large amounts of foods, please. Otherwise, you just be wasting your time. Once you're eating this, make sure you split everything you're eating in the middle. Eat half of what you used to eat. Don't eat a lot. And make sure you're drinking enough water every day, at least 2 liters of water a day, because most people suffer from big tummy or big belly because they don't drink enough water to digest the food they eat, to cleanse them, help with digestion, and they end up with food buildup in your system, causing belly fat. And so you want to be drinking your water to help you with digestion. That way you don't build up waste or food in your system, ending up to be belly fat. And you make sure, as you're drinking water, as I mentioned earlier, portion control. Start from today eating half the quantity of whatever you eat each day. If you used to eat a large plate of rice, split in the middle and eat just half of it. And make sure you're drinking your water to help you digest. Don't substitute water with anything, because water is unique and it is different. It helps you with digestion. Most especially, don't substitute your water with any sugary stuff. Sugary drinks, they don't help you with digestion. They make you big in digestion, most especially the ones with a lot of gases in them. So you want to drink enough water your system can accommodate. That will help you with digestion. And drink this recipe, try for at least a week, and come back and tell me how you feel about it. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.